Namaste, yogis. Thank you for joining. I am Adi the Black Yogi. It's a pleasure to share this practice with you today. Today I want to break down something that we call Chaturanga Dandasana in the Ashtanga primary series. So Sun Salutation A, Sun Salutation B includes Chaturanga Dandasana. And today I want you all to really understand the breakdown in this so that you are aligning your body and being able to receive the full benefit of Chaturanga Dandasana. So if you'd like to learn more about Chaturanga Dandasana, then stay tuned. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We're growing in numbers, we're growing in visibility, we're showing up and we're showing out. So if you love to be a part of this, like I would also love for you to be a part of this, please subscribe and stay with us for a while. So here we are at the front of the mat. Starting from the front of the mat, we inhale, lift our arms. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, place the hands down on the mat. Step back into the plank position. Okay? Chaturanga Dandasana is a motion all in itself. So here in the plank position, you exhale, inhale. Okay, notice that the bottom of my body is not touching the ground, so it doesn't touch the mat, and you flip your toes in that motion. So again, from the inhalation, half lift, exhale, place the hands down, step back, lower down, inhale, flipping the feet, pushing up. Okay, be sure not to sink your back down. Be sure to engage in your legs, engage in your glutes, engage in your arms. Strong inhale. Tucking the toes, pushing up, finding your downward dog. Exhale. So Chaturanga Dandasana is it's very essential, and it can also be broken down, you know, different ways to modify for your body. So it can also look like this. From the half lift, exhale, place the hands down on the mat, step back, dropping the knees, chest and the chin. Inhale. You see that? Coming to all fours, tucking the toes. Exhale. Okay. When I say to walk your dog out, bending one knee and then the other. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. We're in downward dog for 5 breaths. Again, this is about Chaturanga Dandasana. So just know that when you're doing Chaturanga Dandasana, you want to ground down through your hands. Allow your fingertips to grip into the yoga mat. Step back into the plank. Allow your elbows to come in at 90 degrees. Make them close to your body, not out, close to your body. Flip the toes. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so I really hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're in the Birmingham area and you are available to join us for our Sunday Fun Days at Eastlake Park, 1 p.m., it's absolutely free. And we also accept donations if you feel led to do so. Please join us. Thank you. Namaste.